What's up everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to wax your vehicle using lithium gloss sauce, as well as protecting your black plastic trim with lithium trim serum. So guys, we're going to be showing you how to wax your vehicle using a good, high quality wax. So lithium gloss sauce, this is their carnauba wax. This stuff is amazing. Very easy to use and it's sun friendly as well. We use it outdoors because we are primarily mobile detailers. So you're going to see how we apply it on this vehicle, even in direct sunlight, and the results. Now this vehicle also has some black plastic trim. We're going to show you how to restore that and protect it with lithium trim serum. So guys, if you're interested in these products, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 and you'll get 20% off of any of these items. And guys, if you haven't already, consider subscribing and clicking that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So let's show you how to use these products.
So guys, before you begin applying the lithium gloss sauce, make sure that your vehicle is clean. If you want to see a tutorial on how to wash and clay bar your vehicle properly, click up on the card above. For mobile detailers, pick up some Detailer's cord snaps. If you use a polisher to apply waxes and sealants, this helps keep the cord controlled and away from the paintwork. Check out links down below. A little bit goes a long way with gloss sauce. Apply just a few drops to your soft foam pad on your polisher, and make sure to evenly apply the wax onto your vehicle. And even though you're applying it outdoors and in the full sun, you shouldn't have any problem. Only let it sit for a few minutes and then wipe it off with a soft towel. It leaves the paint super smooth and glossy. If there's any stubborn residue, just use a quick detailer to wipe off any of that residue. Don't forget about those other areas, like underneath the door handles where the polisher couldn't reach. Same goes with the front and the rear of the vehicle. Gloss sauce can be used on your paintwork, but it's also perfect for those chrome grille pieces. All these little areas sometimes can be missed. For faded black plastic, use lithium trim serum. Make sure that the plastic is clean and dry. And then apply using either a foam or a microfiber applicator. Make sure to cover the area thoroughly, let it dry for a few minutes, and wipe off any excess with a dry microfiber towel. You can apply more coats of lithium trim serum if desired. To get into those tight honeycomb areas in the front grille, just apply it onto a brush and work it into those smaller areas where your foam applicator maybe couldn't reach. For really faded out plastics on older vehicles, make sure to clean the surface, dry it, and then use something like a paint prep or isopropyl alcohol to prep the surface. And then apply your trim serum, and you can apply up to 2 coats if desired. This will really seal in the plastic and protect it. And even after a couple of washes, you'll notice that the water beads up on your plastics. Notice here, the left is unprotected, the right has been protected.
So Lithium Gloss Sauce, pretty awesome stuff. I really enjoyed using it. It's great to use for mobile detailers, and check out the packaging. Beautiful packaging on their products. So this stuff is a carnauba wax, and it says that it does have some polymers in it, so kind of a synthetic blend. So this stuff can be applied by hand, as you saw, but I like to apply my waxes and sealants with a machine. So I use a dual action polisher with a soft foam pad, and it makes applying these waxes and sealants so much easier, much more efficient, and I believe it uses less product because it spreads it out so much thinner. So guys, if you want to pick up these products, then check out carguysupplies.com and enter code Miranda20 for 20% off. And check out their website. They have a ton of amazing detailing products on there as well, and they're carrying the new Lithium line. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you want to check out more how-to videos, click up there in the card. It will bring you to a playlist which has a ton of how-to videos. So thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.